Week's Friday function comes to you courtesy of the new shop floor Workbench, which has been completely redesigned from Enterprise Explorer into IFS Cloud. And even since IFS Cloud has been released, there's new functionality that's been added. And that's what I'm going to show you today, the operation guide. We can see here I've got a filtered set of shop orders. In this instance, I just want to look at one manufacturer order. So I'm going to filter this by a shop order ID. Obviously scan this in, but I'm going to type it in this instance. And I can see I've got my two operations there and a picture of the product that I'm going to be making. This new button here, this operation guide button, is a really handy function that opens up a panel for the user that gives them everything that they could possibly need to know what to do with this operation. And these will save based on what the user had open when they moved on from the operation last time. Where we've got documents, so a manual for my filling machine, which opens in context within the screen, so there's no downloading local files or having to keep local drives or anything along those lines. I've got a safety data sheet for this product. To keep it clean, I can then close that and open up the next panel, which is my label and what the product should look like. So if you're working in this kind of industry, you'll know that labeling is absolutely critical, and this label is the most recent revision. This is what they should be putting on the product. I've then got instructions and subtasks. Make sure that you're using this fill program. I can get sign off for that if I need to as well. And obviously you've got my tool alignment here to confirm that I have actually aligned the tool correctly. And when I sign that off, I can hit that sign off button. It will time and date stamp that with my user and any notes that I put alongside it. So I've got my tool aligned. I've looked at my labels. Everything's correct. I'm a bit short on some materials. This will tell me what's in inbound locations and what's available. I can check what tool I actually do need on that one, and I can start the clock on that as well if I like to. And then I can see what control plan inspections am I expecting to do on this. And when I hit start production, what we'll see is that a new control plan analysis is created. Okay, so here's my analyses. I've got a consistency check to do and a fill weight to do, and I can do that all within this panel as well, so I can enter and view results for that analysis. Let's say that is 2520, I've weighed it, that's the result that I've got. You can see straight away that's within specification. Excellent, that means that I can continue. And of course I could have pressed previous to go for the previous one as well. So that's now running and under production, and now I can leave IFS to it and approve this when I've completed the operation. So that is the operation guide that will save depending on what the user had set up last time. Gives the end user on a manufacturing shop floor exactly what they need and everything they should need to be able to perform that operation without having to open multiple tabs or multiple records.